Like just don't say anything. The car will keep him near it. Yep.
Hey, you got exercise over here.
Yeah. Hello.
Somebody
Hello.
Oh, how you doing?
Hi, Merry Christmas.
I'm alright. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Okay, let's see what we got.
Hello. How are you? Gotta move this.
Merry Christmas, right? Let's see.
Is this one? Yep. It's new.
It's new, right?
You know,
Good.
couple
Merry
year old.
Christmas.
Very clean. Want something?
Oh, no, no.
My mom just woke up there.
Oh, nice. This is for wine
It's new.
or for drinks?
Let's see. The pilot song?
For Christmas. Merry Christmas.
I can't even tell. It's the pilot song, huh?
Yeah, no.
Vidi,
I said,
grapa, pekara, gratuja ten. Ćeš pajati.
Pilot song?
you know, we start them and after
Uh-huh.
they don't stay, you know. They work for a little bit
Uh-huh.
and after they,
Yeah.
Let me see if I can get it.
I guess somebody touched it before me.
So,
The sink is here.
okay, you want to open that gas there?
Yes.
Yeah.
I can open the gas, I can put them in the pilot.
Okay. It's in the back. Put in pilot, yeah, yeah, okay. So press it in. Let's see, keep going on.
Do you have light?
I don't know, they don't start till that though.
Do you
Lighter.
have the light?
I think it's on. Okay.
Hmm?
Oh, nice. It's nice.
Do we got gas? Make sure the gas
They
outside.
have gas.
You got gas?
Yes.
The stove is working, right? They got gas stove, right?
Yeah.
It's working? Yeah?
Yes.
All right, hold on. Let me get my sparking over here. Huh?
We can start to move the lighter.
Yeah, I got something over here.
Yeah.
No, I don't know.
Okay, let's see. This thing work. This thing work? Yeah. All right, can you hold that thing in?
Yeah. They start?
Can't see it. Okay. Hold on. You push it in, right? You got it in? Yeah.
There.
Okay, hold on.
Have like a Bible say, the one is for the
Hold on.
You done?
Yes. Yeah. Sometimes I work with the
All right, let it go. I smell gas. Yeah, let it go.
Let it go.
Yeah, let it go. Yeah.
They don't stop.
Yeah, let it go now. I gotta get this thing out.
So you can work from home?
Yeah.
Let me see.
You can teach from home?
Online.
Okay, press it again.
Yeah.
Online before instead of yesterday.
So when they gonna start the January?
I don't really see where this thing is. Hold on, I gotta see where
Announced
the
anything yet.
You know what I do?
exactly where it
They
is.
said unvaccinated people, I heard someone, they said they could go to the.
Let me get in the back there. Hold on. Let me get in the back.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me get in the back there.
Okay.
So I can see
Even I can give you real life.
what I'm. Yeah, I got it.
Oh, you have one.
I got it. Okay. It's covered. I can't even see the pipe on this side either.
The pilot
Yeah, I can't.
only from here. I open.
Oh, okay, okay. So
I open already.
that's what I want to see. I want to see. Maybe I can
Yeah.
see it from here now. See.
The
Yeah.
pilot is there.
I see. Okay.
You want me put
Yeah, push it. Go in the back.
push
Push
in
it.
the gas?
Yeah, push the gas in. So now I can see it.
You can put the fire.
Yeah. Okay, hold it. Don't let it go. Hold it there.
Yeah.
Rice and beans.
Uh,
My mom brought her candy yams, marshmallow yams, and she also cooked green bean casserole. My mom made cheesecake for dessert. But that's not mine.
You just decorate,
Yeah.
you decoration.
The fire is going on
yeah, let it go. See what happens.
slowly.
Yeah. No, it's not staying on. Yeah, you need that.
Huh?
You need it in good thermal cup in there. Let me see. I don't know if I got that in my truck. I might have one. I might have one in my truck. Let me see. Yeah, shut off the gas for now. Shut off the gas. Yeah.
I turn them off here.
Turn it off. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me change. The thermal cup is bad.
Yeah.
One of those. Yeah. It doesn't-
Try it, you don't know.
I might have one in my truck. I'm pretty sure.
Okay. Can I take those for you out?
I like it.
No, you don't need to, because that thing my brake disc is already broke. Look.
Have Italian.
Yeah, I know. I gotta buy one.
Yeah.
I don't broke him, but I do.
All right. Let me see if I got one in my truck. Okay. Because
Okay.
I might have it in my truck. Let me see. Let me go check.